As the tussle over seats in Maharashtra between the alliance partner Shiv Sena and the BJP intensified on Friday, the ball is now back in the Sena's court. The BJP's core panel is meeting up to firm up its strategy, and in a late-night committee meeting of the BJP's Maharashtra unit, the party deliberated on Uddhav Thakere's fresh proposal. But now, the BJP has sent out a fresh proposal to the ally in the state. Another round of discussions will be held between both parties today. While the Shiv Sena is looking to contest in 150 seats out of 288, it is leaving only 119 for the BJP, something that they are not happy with.
बातचीत जारी थी या जारी नहीं थी, तो फिर आंकड़े एक दूसरे को पहुंच रहे कैसे थे? तो ये तो जाहिर है कि बातचीत
मीडिया के जरिए पहुंच रहे
नहीं, और काफी लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा था कि बंद है, कोई हो गए महान इधर उधर, लेकिन ये तो जाहिर है कि दोनों लीडरशिप में बातचीत जारी थी और अभी एक अंतिम तारीख आ गई है, तो इसको आगे कैसे लेके जाना है, सील करना है महाराष्ट्र के हित में, वही देख रहे। ये तो फॉर्मूला अंदरूनी फॉर्मूला है, वो डिस्कस हुआ है, अभी हम जाके उद्धव जी को ब्रीफ करेंगे, उसके आगे चर्चा होगी। लेकिन शिवसेना के मन में महाराष्ट्र का हित है और जो महाराष्ट्र के हित में होगा वही हम करेंगे। जो हमारा मनोदय है, जो बाला साहब ने और महाजन काका ने जो एक अलायंस बनाई है, उसको आगे लेके जाना है। अलायंस ये हिंदुत्व के विषय पर हुई थी, महाराष्ट्र को आगे लेके जाने के हित में हुई थी, महाराष्ट्र के विकास, देश के विकास के हित में हुई थी, और ये विकास की आइडियोलॉजी को आगे लेके जाना है। तो जो सही लगेगा वो उद्धव जी करेंगे।
उद्धव जी मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे?
ये महाराष्ट्र की जनता चाहती है, मैं कौन बोलने वाला।
Amrita Shirgi, our correspondent, now joining us from Mumbai. Amrita, a lot of things happening now in Maharashtra as the landscape of the politics is slowly changing ahead of the polls. So we understand that there's going to be a core group meeting again today, considering that the one that took place yesterday for 7 long hours was inconclusive.
Definitely, Sanjana, and now the ball is in Shiv Sena's court because Yuva Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray has clearly said that there will be alliance, but the seat sharing conflict issue is still there between BJP and Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena has clearly said that we cannot give more than 119 seats to BJP if they want to continue with the alliance, but BJP is saying that we want more seats. Somewhere the seat sharing formula is still not clear. Not even BJP leader, not even Shiv Sena leader, they are saying what is the new formula, but as per the sources, BJP wants 125 seats and Shiv Sena, they want to give Shiv Sena 145 seats and the remaining 18 seats for the other alliance parties. But this is not clear what will be the new formula. Today there is core committee meeting of BJP that will start in some time. So all the major senior leaders from Maharashtra BJP will be present there. And also yesterday we have seen that in the second half of the day there was a meeting of Uddhav Thackeray and Om Prakash Mathur. So this is an important day today. The all BJP leaders will discuss the new formula also. They will wait for Shiv Sena's new formula, but the ball is in Shiv Sena's court. They will be giving some new information to BJP, so we will have to wait and watch what new formula comes from either BJP or Shiv Sena and what Shiv Sena says, because still yesterday Shiv Sena's attitude was really strange for BJP. Shiv Sena said that we will not give more than 119 seats and BJP was not ready for that.
Right.
So we'll have to wait and watch. Today there is core committee meeting and we'll get to know as the meeting starts. Back to you.
Amrita Shirgi from Mumbai, thank you so much for bringing us those updates. Remember, this is as the seat wrangling continues. Moving on the